All right, so I tried the Gorilla Contact Adhesive Ultimate. In these cracks right here, you can kind of see that yellow outline. That's the Gorilla Ultimate Adhesive. So I put it both on the board and in between the crack on the aluminum right here, and like as you can see, that's solid. That's not pulling away. So I'm gonna go with that for now because that's pretty fucking good. I mean, obviously, minus right here, I couldn't get it behind there because that's still good wood, as you can see from the color of it. But yeah, so all I have to do now is put this marine adhesive sealant around these edges right in here, just to kind of give it a little secondary safety on there, kind of like I did over here. I mean, obviously I still have to put a little bit right in there and over there, but yeah, that piece over there held up. And then I had to spray some Flex Seal up in there. It looks like I'm gonna have to put another coat on. I think I see a little spot right in. Yeah, I see a spot right in there that still needs it, but this kind of is self-leveling, so I'm not going to use this again. Instead, I'm going to use the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal. I think this might do a little bit better. So, yeah, I'm going to do this first, then put the marine sealant, whatever, on here and over on that one, and then I'm going to show you guys how I've been doing this. So toodles for now.